Hey, this is Nate from Web801, where we turn brochure websites into sales machines. In today's tutorial, I'm going to go through a quick guide on how to customize your Gravity Forms dashboard so you can see the information you want to see and then dig deeper to see all of the data. Let's get started. We'll start this tutorial on the dashboard. And when I get to the dashboard, after logging in, I'll go to Forms. I'll click on Forms. Then I'll see all the forms on this particular site. And the one we're looking at for now is Upload Images. And the first thing I'll do is click on Entries. When I get here, I'll see all the entries so far. And I've actually customized this already. But the way to customize this more, so I put here the entry date, the order ID, and the file. I can click on this little icon. And when I click on that, I'll see active columns and I'll see inactive columns. In some cases with forms, I'm going to have a huge list here of all the different things that are in the form. Or it might be over here and I want to eliminate some of that. So in this case, I really care most about the entry date, the order ID, and let's say I don't even need to see the file, at least on the front end. And I don't need to see any of this other stuff. They're not paying. I don't care about the user ID or the entry ID or the source URL or any of that. So once I get that the way I want, I click Save. Then the page refreshes and it just shows the entry date and the order ID. I'm going to show you one more on customizing this. So I'm going to go back to Forms and I'm going to go to the Contact Us page and do the same thing. Go to Entries, because this one has 497 total entries. And you can see here, this is a little bit more applicable. It's got date, what's this regarding, how can we help, first name, last name, and their email. So I click this and I can see, okay, entry date, what is this regarding, how can we help? Now by moving these columns, if I say what is this regarding, I'm going to keep that one, but I don't really want how can I help because some of those are really long. I just drag it over to the inactive. I do want, however, the phone number. So I'm going to click Save. Now you'll see this shortens up this list so it's not quite so long. And it just shows entry date, what is regarding, first name, last name, email, and phone number. Now, again, this is just the Gravity Forms dashboard for this particular form. If I want to see all the data, by customizing this section, which we just did, that's not erasing the data. I click on View, and this will show me all the information. What's this regarding, the entry number, the how can we help you today, the name, the email, the phone number. So it's all there. And then I can also go here, as you've seen on the video, which I'll show up above. This shows how I can see all these entries without downloading them to a spreadsheet. I could just click on this one, and it will show me number 2. And I can click on this one again, it will show you number 3. But again, I've done a video up in the corner, which you can watch, which will go into that in more detail. If you liked this video and it was helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to watch more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. That way you'll get notified when we make new videos.